Hello, my fly babies. Hello, my patrons. Hello, all you lions living in our new strength. Today, I'm going to give you my Patreon in review, and that's what I recorded and put up on the Patreon channel last week. So on Monday, I talked about a prescription for success, and that's talking about how to make the FlyLady system work, how you can be successful at it. On Tuesday, I talked about how clutter negatively impacts your life, how it affects your life. On Wednesday, I'm asking you the question, do you have hidden clutter? Do you? On Thursday, personal consequences. What happens when you choose not to do something that you have planned to do? How's that impacting you? What consequences have you chosen instead of to do that thing? And on Friday, we talked about when you're frozen with anxiety and how to remedy that. Okay, so those are 5 great topics. If you're not already a patron, you can join by going to patreon.com. The link is below. And sign up. It is $5 a month, not a week, not a day, $5 a month. And you'll get 20 videos just like the ones I talked about. If you are a patron and you forgot to watch, well, there's your title, so pop over and watch. I want you to see them. I want you to comment. I want to answer your questions. Remember, when you're a patron, you're in a community, a tight community, a more intimate community, and you're going to get an answer to any question you ask me. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.